Is there a hierarchy amongst souls? No, thank you. Are there leaders and followers in soul groups? Yes, thank you. Is it because some souls are more important than others? No, thank you. Is it because some souls prefer to be leaders? Yes, thank you. Thank you. Does water only fasting sometimes heal the body from sickness? Yes, thank you. Does water only fasting always heal the body from sickness? No, thank you. Does sound healing work? Yes, thank you. What about those sound baths? Do those heal you? Yes, thank you. And we know that Beethoven's music heals, is that correct? Yes, thank you. Do those new sound beds work? I want one so bad. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at the link in my bio or by searching for The Celestial Essence. Thanks. Bye.